A pair of Shelley cake plates to show you 1920s through to 1940s design. Pattern reference is 8912. There's the late Foley Shelley banner or shield marks. Porcelain's in really good condition. No condition warnings on either of these two cake plates. It's a transfer printed design that's then been hand coloured, so all this enamel on the decoration on the flowers and in these little interlocking dividers is hand applied by the decorators. A nice, quite deep cake plate, as you can see, with a central round well, very clean gilt on the rims and on the linear banding that they've put just inside the rim detailing. Two really nice period pieces of Shelley porcelain or bone china. All the measurements, diameters and pricings on these two will be on the website listing, which we'll pop a link in below on YouTube. And do be aware we've got some trios in this design: sugar basin and sugar bowl and milk jug in the similar design from the 1920s by Shelley. So if you're looking for these pieces, do pop over on the link below to our website and have a browse through on the remaining pieces on catalogue. Thanks for watching.